We have this team cognitive load assessment example. You need to adapt it to your own context, right? So there will be some things which are specific to your business, things that teams should know that you want to assess if they have a problem with. But then you have all the sort of more technical aspects of the software lifecycle that are more common across different organizations. So you can start by assessing the cognitive load on teams. You start identifying some sort of trends where, oh yeah, actually, it seems like multiple teams are struggling with, I don't know, with scaling their applications or monitoring or whatever it might be. And so it looks like we either need to help them gain more awareness and knowledge around these areas, or maybe they need some helpful platform services so they have less to worry about, so they can rely on platform that is built as a product for those teams to consume. So depending on where the cognitive load is too high, what is causing that, and we might have different approaches, which are effectively why we have the supporting types of teams that we talked earlier and the interaction modes to get the evolution of the teams and reducing cognitive load. And then there are other things like the team API also helps reduce cognitive load for other teams to understand how do we work, how can they communicate with us, what kind of channels we prefer, or when are we available, and these sort of things also reduces cognitive load in terms of communication between different teams. I think most of the patterns and ideas we talk about in the book that can be applied are effectively helping minimize cognitive load for some of the teams in the organization.